Hello everyone, my name is Ananksha Alamyan and I recently crossed 183,000 followers on Medium. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the 5 biggest lessons that I learned from my journey to 183k followers and what you can do to achieve similar results on Medium. By results, I mean making amazing money from the Medium Partner Program, getting readers for your content, and also making money off the platform, building your personal brand, and establishing yourself as a subject matter expert. So, are you excited to get started? Let's dive right in. So, the first and the most important lesson is in the beginning, you won't be good. So when you start writing on Medium, your content won't be perfect or the best on the platform. You might be faced with self-doubt, thinking, is this good enough? Will people make fun of me? Will anyone even read it? Etc. So remember that to start, you don't need to feel like a writer. All you have to do is put one step forward every day, which means you can write something and then keep publishing it and keep polishing your content every day until it becomes good. See, the journey of being a writer is always a work in progress. Even now, after writing for 4 years on Medium and getting so many followers, there are still times when I look at my articles and think this is all trash. But remember, what is your trash can be treasure to someone. So you should definitely not hold back on your potential just because a voice in your head questions if you're good enough or not. The second most important lesson is the value of consistency. The only reason I was able to stay afloat on Medium for 4 years and make more than $1,500 every month from the platform is because I was consistent with my writing. Sure, I have taken breaks, I have been on vacations, I've had bouts of sickness derail my progress, but I have never given up on writing. I've always bounced back and I've always kept publishing. In my best months, I have published 30 articles on Medium each month. On average, I publish 12 to 15 articles, and there have been bad months where I publish just 6 articles. But the main point is every month I have published at least something on Medium. I haven't taken a super long break. So being consistent doesn't come to you naturally. I don't do it because I feel right. I don't stay consistent because the voice comes from within. I stay consistent because of my discipline, because I treat Medium like a day job. I treat it like something that I have to show up every day and I have to give my best effort every day. And that is the mindset shift that has helped me stay consistent on Medium for over 4 years. The third biggest lesson is how you can improve your writing on Medium. So I believe that great writing comes from great reading. If you spend a lot of time on Medium reading the stories that perform well on the platform, you would get a pretty good idea of the kind of writing and the kind of content that performs well on Medium. When you read stories by great authors or top writers, you can reverse engineer what elements this writer has used and apply them to your own writing. You can tweak the elements a bit, add in your own personality, and make a great article out of what you read. So be mindful of the kind of content you're consuming and be mindful of what makes it work. Only then you can add those elements in your own writing and make sure readers stay hooked to your writing until the very end. The fourth and the most interesting part about writing on Medium is your creativity. So when you are a writer, you need to cultivate your creativity consciously. Great ideas won't come to you on their own. You have to sit with yourself. You have to spend some time with yourself so that ideas can come to you. Remember, as a writer, your biggest asset is your mind. So you need to spend some time with your thoughts without any distractions, without any scrolling of social media or reading anything. Just spend some time with yourself, let the ideas come to you, and then you can feel your creativity blossom. And the last part is how you can build an audience on Medium. See, when you write click-worthy titles, people are going to come to your article. But if the article is clickbait, that is, you don't deliver what you promised in the title, in the content of the article, then people are not going to keep coming back. So the only way to build an audience is to write quality content consistently, and definitely use the biggest and the most powerful tool Medium has given all writers, the publications. Publish in a publication that caters to your specific niche so you can leverage the audience of that publication. So these were my 5 quick lessons from reaching 183k followers on Medium. If you found this article useful, please do share it with your other writer friends so they can learn something new as well. And a good news for you, my flagship course, Project Medium, that has helped more than 100 writers all over the world make their first $100 on Medium, is now on a 50% off sale. You can get it from the link in the description of this video. I'll see you again super soon with another new video. Until then, stay awesome and keep writing. Cheers!